To remove the gas pedal from a second generation Volvo XC60 or XC90, you will need just a couple of tools. Specifically, a flathead screwdriver and a Torx T30 bit. Additionally, if you want to follow the repair manual completely, then you will need a small torque wrench too. But it's not that necessary. As the first step, you have to remove the small plastic cover under the pedal. After removing the cover, you will see the Torx bolt, which you should of course remove as well. Next, grab the whole gas pedal assembly, twist it counterclockwise and lift it up from its place. The last step is to remove the electrical connector, which has a regular securing tab on it. And that's it. When putting back the gas pedal, make sure that the electrical connector is secured properly. You should hear a distinct click, confirming it's properly locked in place. After this, position the gas pedal assembly in place and twist it clockwise. Put back the Torx bolt, which is torqued to 6.5 Newton meters. And put back the plastic cover. Last but not least, I also did some other videos about this car, so visit my channel and check them out.